Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Hi everyone, it's Bianca here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this heart. Very quick and easy to make. You need some yarn of your choice. For my choice of yarn I need to work within 4.5mm crochet hook. You need also a scissors and a needle. Let's get started. You start with the magic circle on the hook. And make a chain 2. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now here in the magic circle we make 3 times 1 treble. For a treble we yarn twice over the hook. 1 and 2. Enter your hook in the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. We do this 2 more times. Treble, twice over the hook, enter your hook in the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We make another treble. Yarn twice over the hook, in the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Now here in the magic circle we make 3 double crochets. Yarn over, enter your hook in the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Double crochet. That's number 2, and the third one, double crochet. Make a chain 1. Now here in the magic circle we make 1 treble. For a treble, yarn twice over the hook, enter your hook in the magic circle, and make 1 treble. That's 1, 2, and 3 times yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Make chain 1, and now we work on the other side of our heart. The first half of the heart is complete. In the magic circle, 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. Then we make 3 times a treble in the magic circle. Yarn twice over the hook for the first treble. Then a second treble. And a third. Now we make a chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we make here in the magic circle 1 slip stitch. Enter your hook in the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, and then pull through on the loop on the hook. We make 1 chain, and now we make a little loop and cut the yarn. Now we close the magic circle, you pull on the short tail here in the middle, so very tight to close that hole here in the center. And then we grab a needle and then we weave in the tail on the back of the heart of the stitches under through a little piece of thread here on the back pull through for a second time, make a little loop, go with the needle into that loop and make a knot. And now you weave the tail in. And of course also that other tail, that second tail. And the heart is complete. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any new tutorial from me. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!